Hello everyone! Are you excited about networking? Are you ready to take the next step in your networking career? Go ahead and sit back, relax, and let's learn some of the basics of networking. So today, we're going to keep things basic and just review some concepts we should be familiar with already. Alright, so a local area network, or LAN, is a network that has the following characteristics. It usually exists within a home, building, or group of buildings, usually managed by a single entity and has typically some form of Ethernet network, fast Ethernet, which is 100 megabytes, gigabit Ethernet, 1000 megabytes, and is implemented in twisted pair cables, multimode fiber optic cables, or some form of wireless technology. The next type of network we have is a wide area network, otherwise known as WAN. Wide area networks are the networks that interconnect all of our local area networks. WANs are typically managed and controlled by Internet Service Providers, also known as an ISP. Instead of using Ethernet, WANs typically implement different technologies like DSL, cable, T1, T3, and serial lines. Alright, so I know you're sitting here wondering, so what's the difference between a LAN and a WAN? To simplify the difference between these two types of networks, we can use the example of a wireless router. On the wireless router, the LAN ports and the wireless antennas connect to the computers on your local network, or LAN, and the WAN ports connect to the modem, which communicates with your internet service provider on the WAN. Up next, we have Internet, Intranet, and Extranet. What is the difference between the Internet, an Intranet, and an Extranet? Who knows? That's what I'm getting ready to tell you. Internet, inter means between, and net is short for networks. So Internet literally means between networks. So what is the Internet? The network of networks. The network formed by connecting all of the networks together. Intranet. Intra means within and net means network. So intranet means within the network. For instance, when I taught high school, I wanted to have my own web server. The school district agreed to let me have my own web server for my students, but it had to be on the intranet only. This meant that the students could reach the web pages, but from only within the school. The web server was not on the internet. Extranet. Extra means in addition to, and net means network. So extranet literally means in addition to the network. An extranet is an area of the network that users who are outside of the network can remotely connect into. This can be done with VPN services, which allow users with permission to the VPN into an area of the network. Alright, so I'd like to everyone just to take a couple of brief notes and make sure you fully understand these concepts, because these are the basis for understanding networking, and you're going to need to know these things. As these videos continue, we're going to dive in much deeper and complex thoughts relatively pretty quick. If you guys enjoyed this video today, go ahead and click that like button. In our next video, I'll be introducing you guys to the command line interface and the Cisco IOS, what that means and how it operates. So if that's what you're interested in, go ahead and click subscribe and let's grow together.